Hello, guys. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on your location. Sorry that I'm doing this video too late. I couldn't sleep, so I was like, what will I do? Let me just make a video. So, yesterday, I did a video about creating video thumbnails using ChatGPT. So, I'm here to teach you guys how to create thumbnails using another app, but this one is not be manual. It won't be automatic. It will be a manual creation. But this tutorial is mostly for Android users. Do you understand? So let's dive in. I don't know where you're watching from. Maybe YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, anywhere. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, click on notification bell, follow, depending on where you're watching from. Yeah, let's dive in. Let me switch to the app. So guys, I'm back. So the app we are going to use is called LOGOPIT. Yeah, this is a premium version, so that's why it's LOGOPIT Plus. But if you can see, you can get it from the Play Store. I don't know if the app is available for iPhone, but I'm not an iPhone user, so I'm doing this tutorial based on Android users. So if you open the app, yeah, it's opening. So you now click on create new. It will now, if you look at it, will say to select the one that you want to, the banner that you want to create, or the logo that you want to create, or the thumbnail that you want to create. This for logo, custom size, logo template, poster, flyer, YouTube cover, YouTube thumbnail, Twitter post, Facebook cover, Instagram post, Instagram story, social graphics, Twitter cover. Just choose the one you want to do. Okay. Facebook ad. I think the universal one is the logo. It works everywhere, but let's check something. Since this video is going to be posted on YouTube, on Facebook cover. Wait, is there another Facebook stuff here? Facebook posts. Facebook posts. Okay. Let's try Facebook posts or Instagram. Okay, let's try Facebook posts. Um, Custom. Blah, blah, blah. Just blank. Okay, now see where it is. Like the other one, like, if you watch the other video I did, I told you I'm going to snap a picture. So you need to snap a picture, but as I've already taken, as I've already snapped the picture before for the other um for the other image. Do you understand? For the other tutorial, so I don't need to do it. But you need to take an extra step because the image already has a background. I think you need to go online Chrome. Go to your Chrome. Go to background background remover. Do you understand? Click on this first option. Once it opens, you need to upload the image. Upload the image. Okay, which one should I choose? And let me use this. I need to remove the background so that it will not be as a PNG file. Okay, you see, it have removed the background. So, and I can now download it. Since it's free, download it free. Okay. Okay, here you have to. First of all, you have to add a background image. Maybe sorry, a color or image, anyone you want. Below here, no, I need to arrow. There are two options. You can select images or you can select color depending on the one you want. Example, now you see you can select a background image for your post depending on the one you want. You can select anyone, or sorry, also I forget to tell you guys, if you look at here is undo and here is redo. So that's what I'm clicking to redo everything. Where was I safe? Okay. So you can choose a color, maybe red, black, or something gray. Okay. So now add picture. Go to your gallery, picker, something like that. Profile. Sorry, not profile. Go to download. Select the image you created. Okay. It might not be as nice as the ChatGPT, but it will be okay in a way. Okay, I've added it here. Okay, and what else? You can now add text, like, okay, how to create how to create video thumbnail using LOGOPIT. Okay, and let's edit it. Let's edit how to create. You can make it, you can add more image and more text. Example, now cut this, edit. You see, now wait, I'm coming. We can style it later. Add new text, video thumbnail, cut. Okay, minimize it. Add another, sorry, add another text using. Okay, if you don't want to do it this way, if you don't want to do this, you can just create a single text with a single text. This, okay, and with how to create. Oh, sorry, I said I did the same mistake. You can still, you see, it will now be like this. But do you know why I don't suggest this? Because I want in a situation that I can edit each text the way I want. Example, now, example, sorry, no, example, you can change the font depending on the one you want. You see, if you change any of them, all of them changes together. That's why I don't recommend this. But I prefer using each separately. How to create. Okay, you can change the color, you can change the text, you can make it white. Okay, I can make it with, there's one I like, this. Yes, I'm adding it, added shadow to it. You can change the shadow color. What, how to create, you can edit each separately. How to create video thumbnail, you can increase the size of this and reduce this size. Okay, you can just tweak, maybe white. You can make this much depending on what you want. Maybe I need to change the font. No. You see difference in selecting making all this differently. You can choose different logo for each. You can just make this tiny, small. You see the difference between the three of them. Well, I'm not here to make it beautiful. I'm just here to show you guys that you can do it manually. Maybe you don't have internet or you just want to play around. You can do it. You can also add other logos. Yeah, you can. Sorry, not other. You can add objects. Objects. Yeah, I think yeah, add logo. But the only problem I have here is that you can't search for logos. So that is the only problem I'll tell you that is here. You can't search for logos, but you can just scroll and select the logo you want and add it. I think this is bacteria. Okay, let's look for something new, good, so that will make it more attractive. Okay, let's just use this one. Minimize it. Sorry, reduce, resize it. Change the color, maybe to whitish background. It's not that nice, but it's manageable. You understand? Um, what else? Okay, you can do it the way you want. I'm just trying to show you guys the manual way of doing it. It's not as romantic or as attractive as the other one, but okay. You can download it in two formats. You can download it. You can also save it as a draft, so that you can come back and continue from where you stopped. You can download it as a JPG or a PNG, so that it will remove the background. Let's say the background. Okay, let's just download it as this. Okay, download. Okay. Photo. Okay. Where can I find this photo now? Okay. Okay. There's the downloaded one. Well, it should be here somewhere. Favorites. It should be here. I think. Okay. It's sorry. See it here. LOGOPIT backup. So see the image. See the logo we just created. It's not that nice, but at least it's manageable. It's so. So what will I do now is I should go to my Insta shots. Go to my Insta shots video, because it's good to add the this as the first thing. So I can now add from here. I can now add extra image, video, or something like that, so that if I upload it on YouTube anywhere, the first few seconds will be this picture. You understand? So that's just it, guys. If you have any other question, you can ask it below. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, click on the notification bell, please, because anything you do will help this channel to grow and also give us the motivation to do more. Thank you, guys. I love you guys. Okay.